Now, if you've already got a community and already got a following, that's awesome. If you don't, the good news is it doesn't take much. In fact, we got so many examples of people in our tribe who have launched their membership sites with just a few hundred people. Like Wendy Batten as an example. She helps paint store owners. Like, talk about a niche within a niche. She had an audience of 453 people, and she welcomed 59 new members right off the bat. That would produce $2,800 in monthly revenue. Crazy, right? But there's so many examples. Like Ann Schneider launched to 440 joined. Or another example is Marianne Kane, who launched to a tiny audience of 250 in the kettlebell. She does kettlebell workouts for women. And of the 250 that she launched to, 53 joined her membership right off the bat. So again, the point is you don't need tens of thousands, you don't even need thousands. A few hundred is all you need to be able to get started.